Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's vlog we'll be doing a unboxing. Now two of these things I already opened and looked at it. I got them as Christmas gift, and here it is. So I already opened it and looked at it. Love it. So it's a cologne set. Platinum Rush by Paris Hilton. Let me show you inside this because I love the bottles. The bottles are so cute. So this is how it's looking. I love the bottle. The bottle reminds me of myself. Yes, and there's a sample, like a travel size. Then you have the, what's this? It's the bath and shower gel and the body lotion. So yeah, love it, love it, love it. Appreciate this so much. And my next one is, this is a Bath and Body Works. Yeah, Bath and Body Works, and it's a fine frankincense mist. Smells really good. Yeah, and also I have this vanilla sugar, warm vanilla sugar scent, and it's a Bath and Body Works also. Yep. Also, last and final, as I said, I opened them and look at them. It's a fantasy shade, and by Britney Spears. Smells good. I like the bottle. I have one similar to this. It's not the same thing, but the bottle smells good. One of my Christmas gifts. Now moving on to the next, from Shein. So I ordered something from Shein and I wanted it before the 22nd of December. So the other one I shipped it through DHL. This one through my normal shipping company, but it still reached before. Even I said I would wait on this one it doesn't matter, but it came before the 22nd. So let's open and see what's inside. That's it right here. Okay, so these are some sleeping clothes that I bought. They were cheap and I just said make my buy it. So 1, 2, 3, and they are all in size small, and then they have the top with it. One, it's one top, this is the other top, and this is the other one. Really nice, 3 of them. Yeah, for when the time, you know, not cold and can put on something and feel sexy. Next thing is oh, these are when the rain falling and I don't have a ride and I have to take the bus. I'm saying that I could use this like for my foot so my shoes don't get wet, so it's like a plastic shoe. Like, let me see the correct name because I don't want to say the wrong name. So let's see what's the correct name is for this. What's it? Come on, load up, load up. Why is not open? People, why not open? Why it's not opening? Okay, it finally opened. What's the name of this? Trying to see what's the name of this. Sometimes this internet be playing with me. Okay, it's called rain shoe covers. Yeah, so it's 10 of them, 10 pairs. So I got this, and it's plastic. They are disposable. You can dispose them after you finish. But me tell myself for it to serve like what it's 10, for it to serve them, if it still can wear, then I'll that shit too. I go wear it and bring it home, wash it out, rinse it off and wear it again. And now this is another uniform that I bought in small. So I bought a green. So I have 2 blue, 1 green. Got this one in a dark green. Love it. You know, so these can iron on the right side. I'll have to iron them on the wrong side because of the material. So that's it. On to the next, last and final. This little something sharp. See that? Cut it open easy. Sharp. So this is the set. So I wanted a big slipper, so I got this. I wanted it in black, but through this one was cheaper. I took this one because I said it's my bed, my going, no matter, I'm not here match up. What is this I bought? Hip resistant. Okay. This is for when I'm exercising. Hip resistant band. Like the start back workout, and I did have 3 of these, but then break. It is a cheaper one I did have. So this one is a better one. So I got one of that for workout purpose, and I'm going to try and see if I can start hit the gym because I found out the price, and the price is not too bad. So yeah. So I bought this skirt suit. It's so thin. Anywho, is it? Let me see something. I really can't sit through it like that. So this is the skirt. So I said Christmas Sunday I could wear this. And this is the top. Yeah, nice and simple, nothing. Yeah, that's the top. Skirt suit, and then I was like, I need something else. I have a dress in there, but it's sleeveless, and to wear to church I said I need a little jacket to go with it. So I did order that as well. But let me look at this one since it came out first. I pulled it out first. Oh, this is so nice and it's thick. Oh my god. Wow. This is nice. This is so nice, like what? So this is the skirt. Oh, it's black. Okay. And all of these are in small because I'm skinny. So this is a skirt, and then this is the top. And it's sleeveless, so I can wear a jacket. And I have a black jacket. I have 2 black jackets. Like that. Oh, and this is a slipper to wear in the house because this was on the oven. I wear in the house and out the house. So I bought brown. I was going to buy a black, then I said no, I need to buy something that I can differentiate from in the house and outside. So I got this. And last and final, all done. This is the jacket with the dress. It's really nice. Oh, it's mesh. I didn't know that the back was all mesh, you know. I didn't notice that, but it's okay. It's okay still. But yeah, this is it. So I can wear it to church. Really nice. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're on our road to 650 subscribers. And if you notice, I put out a video. Like, I have had clips that I vlog. I was like, oh, this is an extra clip, so I put it out before this. So the next clip will be this one, and then I'll be doing another one because I went to John Kuno and it was fun ahead of time. Success, one family. No, what is it for one family? Warriors. Yes, guys, at a time. And thank you so much for supporting me thus far. Can't wait to reach 1,000 subscribers. And pick up on yourself. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and bye, guys.